Hey there, suckling pig is a fantastic food that restaurants have perfected it thanks to roasting pits and open fires. But can we achieve that quality at home? I have found the answer. I have looked hard and deep into what makes suckling pig from restaurants so special, and I've identified three factors. Number one, crispy skin. Number two, tender meat. Number three, smokiness. And those will be our targets for today. I have found a way that is so simple that I don't know how I didn't see it earlier. Let's cook. I'll start by addressing the main issue. There is no way I'm roasting a whole suckling pig at home. It would be impossible to fit in my oven and get the results I'm looking for. So today I'll be using just half a suckling pig. I'll start by poking the skin with the knife to help moisture come out. Just after this, the most important step is to dry the piglet with a paper towel on both sides, skin and opposite. You need to get the skin as dry as possible. Next, I will overload the skin with salt to pull as much moisture out as I can. Now I'll leave it for 3 to 4 hours before I go back to it. While I wait, I'll prepare my marinade to flavor it. I will be mixing it all in a food processor, just makes the whole process easier. And I will add lard, garlic, bay leaves, salt, smoked paprika, and here lies the big plan to get smokiness into our meat. I'm gonna put a lot of smoked paprika, cumin, garlic powder, onion powder, whiskey, almost there, hang on tight, white wine, fish sauce, dark brown sugar, and garlic paste. Wow, that was a marathon. Blend everything together until you form a smooth paste. After the 4 hours, there's loads of moisture coming from the skin. I will pat it dry again and remove the excess salt from the piglet. I will place it in a tray with a rack so air can circulate under it, and we'll put all of the marinade over the meat side of the pig. Spread it through until all the marinade is gone. Place it in the fridge and let it stay there between 36 to 48 hours. I know it's a long time, but it's essential to dry the skin. After that time, preheat your oven at 200 degrees Celsius or 400 Fahrenheit. I have a gas oven and the heat source is in the bottom. I'll start by placing the suckling pig in the middle shelf for this first stage and let it cook for 1 hour. Halfway through, I will turn the tray around to ensure even cooking. Smells good. Pig is in the oven and you can subscribe while we wait to flip it over for more delicious recipes like this one. 1 hour gone, now I will flip the suckling pig to start the work on the skin. To ensure a full crispy skin, I will place some potatoes under the piglet for no other purpose than it is to stretch the top skin. Looks good like this. I will now remove the top shelf carefully because it's hot and place the tray on the bottom. I will increase the temperature to 250 Celsius or 475 Fahrenheit, the highest setting on my oven, and will let it cook for 60 to 90 minutes. During this time, I will come every 15 minutes and will brush the skin with our sauce, hopefully without burning myself. Failed already. Remember to flip the tray 40 minutes in, even cooking. 80 minutes gone and look at it. Golden brown. I can feel the crispiness by the touch. I will remove it and let it rest for a minimum 15 minutes. Once it's rested, I will chop it. Listen to this crack. To break all this pig, I'll use a strong knife and a hammer to break through the bones and slice the piglet into small serving pieces. Look at how juicy it is. To finish our sauce, just get a bowl and a strainer and sieve all the sauce from the tray until all that flavor is in the bowl. Beautiful. Put in a tray with some orange and time to eat this beauty. This was a journey. Time to finally taste this bad boy. First, skin. Oh, I hope you can hear it. Oh yeah, 10 out of 10. Super crispy, tiny bit of layer of fat under it. Amazing. Now the meat. Wow. Wow. Super juicy, super tender. It's a 10 out of 10 as well. Wow. Flavor is insane. Now, we go to the smokiness. On the skin, we get some smokiness. The paprika did its thing. But even with the charring we got on the skin is good. You can feel some smokiness in it. The whole of the meat, we don't feel a lot of smokiness in it. So that'll be like not a thumbs down, but that bit we couldn't really reach what fire can do, which is understandable. But everything else is incredible. And even though it took a long time, the result is fantastic. So, the answer to the question, is it as good as in a restaurant? The answer is yes. Flavor is there, crispy skin is there. You miss a tiny bit of the smokiness, but that doesn't detract from the whole experience. If you get a chance to buy a suckling pig, do it, and you will be amazed with the result you're gonna get. This right here is Portuguese food at its best. And after a lunch like this, you probably won't be hungry for dinner. So we have this snack right here that is light and it will leave you satisfied. See you there. Bye.